Kyle's 2014 Limited and 2015 Inception Football. Good luck. And I'll upload them. I'll try to figure out which. I almost need to start writing them down in order I do them so I can get when I upload them.
Yeah. Come out of there.
It doesn't want to come out. There you go. Let's see.
Number to 10.
Marcus Jr. Auto. 9 of 10. Ed Reynolds. 79 of 99. I know someone that want that. Dual Christian Ponder and Teddy Bridgewater. 91 of 99. Dual white.
That's nice.
Yeah. Crab Leg Central, here we come. 19 of 50, a 3-color patch of crab legs himself, Jameson Winston. All you can eat crab legs right here. Sean Mannion, pink auto, 65 of 99 of the Rams. Starting to be home with Sean Mannion. And Bryce Petty, auto for the New York Jets, ex Sicken Bears. And what did you say? And that's his 2 boxes. Thank you.